suspended.
So, chainsaw review. This tower can be bought for 1,250 ticks in the shop, according to him. Level 1 does 3 DMG every 0.15 seconds with 5 range. Level 2 does 9 DMG every 0.12 seconds with 5 range. Level 3 does 18 DMG every 0.11 seconds. Level 4 does 26 DMG every 0.1 seconds. Level 5 does 48 DMG every 0.08 seconds and has 7 range. Overall, this is a really good tower considering it only cost 1.2 thousand ticks. I'd give it an A+ tier since it's a budget baboon and its stats are really good early game. I will definitely use this for the low ruins and sky. It's a really good tower. Go buy it. You saw nothing. It just swings his chainsaw